nene no ngirora thini wa focus ino ri turenda gutosa Jeff magoti twa Kenyo
nyumba
anyita turenda to tax turenda content kiria ino ikure andu aya maragithondeka content guku Facebook na ni already ni twikirite mikakati ya kumatosha magoti
tuko 14% digital tax
yes maundu macio mothe unaona no ni ndiraigua atiriri incentive area mundu urenda kwambiriria biashara ri ino bottom up tondu niguo marakimita better bottom up economic transformation ri ndirameigua tondu mundu uyu urenda ku manufacture ri akaheo kigina ri kana akaheo loan ri ni thirikari nigetha ahote kwambia gwika atia ku manufacture so in short ri ukirora gina mawatho maria mathondeketwo go support the finance bill ri ti mawatho mara encourage manufacturing kana uthondeki wa indo kuma Kenya ni undu rageria gustifo the growth koroni ni ndirori na koroni mafio to concerned about the hustler tiga hustler fund tugire na mikakati miganu ya guteithia economy itu gukora twabetie manufacturing
na yugire hori manufacturing you see data from economic performance rate iragire hari chujiria itana korari ni manufacturing meaning ni manufacturing ni value addition ni kuga agriculture no ile tugeta the upstream integration agriculture ikorogwo ire within the value chain ya manufacturing to ni uka kwa value ni kuga then utiri no kurwa mawera agriculture ndĩngĩkĩrĩha na ume agriculture heaga almost 70% of the household igacoka iga contribute hari the forex reserve iria turerwo bururi wina reserve nene muno no niki one of them and I'm talking as an authority ni tondu manufacturing sector dry import raw materials so the demand ya dollar ri tine twaeria ri kindu gitagwo construction na wega tuikade na kura the irony is turerwo affordable housing project ri iraka nyumba 200 however that sector has no growth mawira data irogire atirire mawira maya maingi marakurire ri ni makuma the informal sector na tondu construction niyo iratuika ni rathondekire mawira 200 ri na leo ni report ya World Bank then mawira makiriku uchoke the health there is issue in health kugo ogirora ogwo the pillars issue turauga na ni rimwe turona tukauga ati rimwe kwa igwa thirikari kwa inflation yethi inflation is cause of more maigi muno rimwe tuga the cost inflation the thitima maguta na indo icio cia haica no ni areitagwo also demand driven inflation what is happening adu matina besha mehuko kugo matiragora kugo demand yero when there is no demand the inflation goes down kugo nikio igwa makiuga atiriri nikikura duka inflation yethi na adu matiraoda kugura Kenya mutu even when that indicator should be speaking differently
Shesheni hakuhe nawe.